My name is Amir Hefni. I'm the CEO of Resolution Therapeutics. So at Resolution Therapeutics, we're pioneering regenerative macrophage therapy to really have a transformative outcomes and benefit for patients suffering from inflammatory and fibrotic diseases. Our first indication is end-stage liver disease, and in fact, we're in the clinic now. We've dosed our first patient, we've cleared DSMC, and we're actively recruiting for our phase 1/2 study across the UK and Spain. So a very exciting time for our organization. We have a very clear strategy in terms of COGS and vein-to-vein reduction, and we have a pipeline in lung fibrosis and GVHD. So I think ARM's put on a great meeting at the Mesa in Phoenix. I think the opportunity to be able to collaborate and partner across the wide spectrum of cell and gene therapy, from commercial to manufacturing to providers, is so critical. We're all in this together. It takes really a very broad matrix to bring these drugs to life and really ultimately to impact patient outcomes.